let's go. ما عجبتك يوم من لا غنعاودها. Next, let's go.
Let's go. In Darija we say يلا نمشيو.
Yes. And in standard Arabic we say هيا نذهب.
هيا نذهب. Say it again.
هيا نذهب.
All right. هيا نذهب.
السلام عليكم ومرحبا بالجميع.
Hello everyone and welcome to Effective Arabic. Hello everyone, I'm Nosar, the founder of Effective Arabic, and I am from Morocco.
Hi, I'm Manar, a polyglot from Morocco, and I am Nosar's sister.
So, a polyglot is someone who can speak more than 3 languages, right?
Yes, indeed.
Manar, what languages do you speak?
Arabic, French, Spanish, and English.
Oh wow. So today we are going to see the similarities and the differences between Moroccan Arabic and
Standard Arabic.
Exactly. The Moroccan Arabic is also called Darija. You can also call it Moroccan Dialect. In today's video, I will be saying expressions in Moroccan Dialect,
and I will say the same expressions in Standard Arabic.
You will clearly see how people speak in daily life in Morocco.
Compare it to the language used in books, magazines, media, politics, and even the United Nations.
And by the end of the video, we would love to hear from you whether you think Darija is a separate language or do you see it as a dialect of Arabic. Okay, so we are going to start with how are you? In Morocco, we say ki dair.
Exactly. In Standard Arabic, we say كيف حالك.
That's very different.
Yes, it's different.
So the word ki dair in Darija is masculine. If I am addressing a woman, I would say ki daira. And if I was talking to a group of people, I would say ki dairin.
So same thing in Standard Arabic. كيف حالك is neutral. Works for both genders. But if we want to be specific, we say كيف حالك masculine. كيف حالك feminine.
Yep.
كيف حالكم for group of people.
And regardless of the gender?
Yes, a group of people regardless of gender. The second expression is thanks a lot or thank you so much.
In Morocco, we say shukran bzaf.
In Standard Arabic, we say shukran jazilan.
So shukran is the same.
Yes.
But we change the second part. In Morocco, we say bzaf. But in Standard Arabic, it's
jazilan.
All right, so the next expression is please. In Morocco, we say afak.
In Standard Arabic, we say min fadlik.
Min fadlik. That sounds very fancy.
Yes, it's fancy. That's why Standard Arabic is good for books and literacy. Next expression is yes.
In Morocco, we say yeah.
And in Standard Arabic, we say na'am.
Na'am. I mean, we use na'am in Morocco, but it's kind of formal.
Yes, kind of.
All right, the next one is no. Oh, that's a good one. In Morocco, we say la. And usually Moroccans would repeat la multiple times. Like
yes.
La 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 la.
In Standard Arabic, we say la. And we usually use it only once.
Okay. And the next expression is I want. So in Darija, we say brit, brit.
In Standard Arabic, we say uridu.
Uridu. Sounds like you're saying a poetry.
Yes. Next one is I don't know.
In Morocco, we say man araf.
In Standard Arabic, it's la a'lam.
La a'lam. I really like this one, and I usually use it even in Darija. I like using la a'lam.
Really?
I'm just kidding. I don't want to sound like a poet in public. And the next expression is, what are you doing? So in Morocco, we say شنو كدير. It sounds a little bit harsh.
And in Standard Arabic, we say ماذا تفعل.
ماذا تفعل. I like this one. It sounds kind of soft.
Yes, maybe.
So the different in the question word, in Morocco we use the word شنو, which means what, but in Arabic it's
ماذا.
And the verb to do in Darija is dir.
But in Arabic is افعل.
All right, now let's see the next expression.
Next one is come here.
In Morocco people always say أجي هنا.
In Standard Arabic we say تعال هنا.
تعال هنا. I like this one. All right, let's see the next one. I'm hungry. So in Morocco, people say في الجوع.
And in standard Arabic, we say أنا جائع.
أنا جائع.
Exactly. Next, let's go.
Let's go. In Darija, we say يلا
Oh.
نمشيو.
Yes. And in standard Arabic, we say هيا نذهب.
هيا نذهب. Say it again.
هيا نذهب.
All right. هيا
Yes.
نذهب. Let's see now the next expression.
Goodbye.
In Morocco, people say بسلامة.
In Arabic, مع السلامة.
All right, now we're gonna see a bunch of pictures. You say the word in Arabic and I say it in Darija.
Sounds good. هاتف.
Téléphone.
حاسوب.
PC.
إبريق.
براد.
فنجان.
كاس.
كتاب.
كتاب. Oh, finally something similar.
Yes.
Kitab is, yeah,
Did you notice?
because
Oh,
in Darija we don't use vowels, we don't use a lot of vowels, so we put sukun on top of the letter ka, so it sounds kitab. But in Arabic, there is kasra underneath ka.
Exactly.
Yes. So say it again.
كتاب.
Yeah.
كرسي.
Kursi.
طاولة.
Tabla. But in some regions people say taifor, especially in the north. That's completely different.
Oh,
Taifor,
yes.
tabla. Even the word tabla comes from, I think, French or English. Table, tabla. Kind of similar to European languages. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Again, we would love to hear from you whether you think Darija is a separate language or do you see it as a dialect of Arabic. Please let us know in the comment section below.
Until we see you again,
goodbye,
goodbye
for
for
now.
now.
Slama.
سلامة.